Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. In one of our videos, we showed you how to clean the different parts of your baby stroller. If you haven't watched that video, check the description below for the link. In this video, we are going to show you how to remove mildew and mold from your stroller. Mildew and mold can infest your baby stroller if it has not been cleaned for a long time or was kept in a wet or damp place. Getting rid of mold from your baby stroller is very easy. Here's what you will need. 1. A small brush or toothbrush. 2. Nose mask. 3. Water. 4. Lemon juice. 5. Salt. 6. White vinegar. 7. Chlorine bleach. Let's get started. 1. Bring the stroller outside under the sun. 2. Using a brush or toothbrush, scrub off any visible mold spores. 3. Rinse with clean water. 4. Allow the stroller to dry. Make sure you wear a nose mask while cleaning so that you won't breathe in mold spores. Follow these steps to get rid of stubborn mold stains on your stroller. 1. Wet the moldy spots with lemon juice and sprinkle salt on it. 2. Leave the stroller fabric to dry under the sun. 3. Then rinse with clean water. For larger mold spots, do the following. 1. Mix 3 parts of white vinegar to 2 parts of water inside a spray bottle. 2. Soak the moldy area using the vinegar mixture for 1 hour. 3. Rinse thoroughly with clean water. 4. Thereafter, mix 2 tablespoons of chlorine bleach and 1 quart of water inside a spray bottle. 5. Then spray the moldy spot and scrub it gently with a brush. 6. Rinse the spot with water. Do not use bleach to clean your stroller fabric all the time. It can ruin the quality of the stroller fabric or irritate your skin. Before use, make sure it is the best for the stroller fabric. Always refer to the body of the product for instructions on how to use and ensure you protect your skin before use. If you found this video helpful, click the subscribe button below and hit the notification button so you'll be the first to see our updates. Drop your comments and check the description below for more details. Visit our website, zimstrollers.com for more stroller content. Thanks for watching. See you next time.